Hello everyone, welcome back again to mastering retaining walls and shoring systems using PLAXIS 2D. In this tutorial, we are going to investigate the effect of hydrostatic pressure on the stability and deformation of the cantilever retaining wall using PLAXIS 2D. So if you remember in previous example, the water table was located at zero level, at the ground level. So in this example, we assume there is water behind the retaining wall, whether this water comes from rainfall or any other sources, and we will investigate the effect of this water behind the retaining wall on the stability and lateral earth pressure of the wall and the displacement of the wall. So we will use the same example from lesson tutorial tutorial 11, and we will save under a different name, and we will do some changes and add the water behind the retaining wall, and we will analyze the problem and see the effect of this hydrostatic pressure on the stability and deformation of the wall.